This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying that you have legal permission to edit the PDF. This matters. Once confirmed, retrieve the password or contact the document owner. Next, install a trusted PDF editor that supports restricted files or a removal utility. Make sure the software version supports the encryption level used by the PDF. If the PDF is password protected, input that password now. If it has permission restrictions only, proceed to load the file into the editor so you can begin removing or altering the restricted settings. Once the file is loaded, examine the security panel to identify encryption type and permissions. If you have the password, enter it and change security to no security or reduce restrictions, then save a new version. If no password but you have authorization, use a tool that removes permission flags or print to a trusted virtual PDF printer to create an unrestricted copy. Make sure to compare annotations and form fields after conversion, so nothing important is lost in the transfer. Now perform your actual edits, modify text, update images, or fill forms using the editor's native tools. Save the result under a new file name to preserve the original, and inspect document properties to confirm that security is removed. Make sure to recheck form behavior and font embedding. If something goes wrong, such as edits not saving or permissions reappearing, double-check the original encryption level and try a different compliant tool or reapply the owner password. Finally, document your authorization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.